Hello students, today we are going to start organic chemistry. ओके तो आज हम ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री समझने से पहले हमें कुछ कंसेप्ट याद करने हैं. वो कंसेप्ट क्या है, लेट्स सी. फर्स्ट, कार्बन. एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ कार्बन इज 6, एटॉमिक weight 12. So how many valence electron are present on carbon? 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 2. Okay. So how many electrons here? 1 electron and 2 electron. px, pz, py. Okay. In s orbital there is 2 electron. This is the ground state. We already studied about the carbon. It formed 4 bonds. How it formed 4 bonds? At excited state 1s2, 2s1. The principal quantum number is 2 here. 2s1 and 2p3. So now 1 electron here and 1 electron, 1 and 1. px, pz and py here s orbital. Now there is 4 valence electron. It formed 4 bond by sharing of 4 electron. Clear? Now nitrogen. The atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So valence electron 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. So how many electron? Valence electron 5 and its p orbital contain 1, 2 and 3. Nitrogen form 3 bond. Okay. And carbon form 4 bonds. Now it's clear. Nitrogen, phosphorus. After nitrogen in group in periodic table, phosphorus is present. It also form 3 bond, but it can expand its valency up to 5 bonds due to the presence of 3d vacant orbital. Phosphorus कितने बॉन्ड बना सकता है? 5 bonds. It means 10 electron can be accommodate because of 3d vacant orbital. Like this, sulfur. Sulfur also form 2 bonds and it exhibits its valency, expand its valency up to 6 bond. तो कार्बन 6 बॉन्ड बना सकता है because of d orbital, vacant d orbital. Nitrogen, phosphorus, oxygen, sulfur, carbon, halogens, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine, monoatom, only single bond. Chlorine, monoatom. Bromine, monoatom. Iodine, only for 1 bond. Even hydrogen. Hydrogen is also monoatom. There is only 1 electron. Valence electron is 1. Here 3 electrons. Phosphorus also contain 3 electrons. Carbon contain 4 electrons. Of fluorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electron. In chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electron. In bromine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 electron. Like iodine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine present in one group, all form one bond. क्यों बनाते हैं एक बॉन्ड? बिकॉज दे रिक्वायर्ड ओनली वन इलेक्ट्रॉन. दे रिक्वायर्ड ओनली वन इलेक्ट्रॉन टू कंप्लीट इट्स ऑक्टेट. Every atom want to get stable to form molecule. कोई भी एटम मॉलिक्यूल क्यों बनाता है? क्योंकि स्टेबिलिटी के लिए. मॉलिक्यूल स्टेबल होते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ ऑक्टेट. दे कंप्लीट देयर ऑक्टेट. They achieve the inert gas configuration. So, in organic, we have to learn how many valence electrons are present in these elements. Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sulfur, phosphorus, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. It's clear? Now, let's see what is organic chemistry. So, we will discuss now ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. तो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री क्या होती है? फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. डू यू नो व्हाट इज द इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री? क्या होती है इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री? इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. Inorganic chemistry, those compounds, those substance, those compounds obtained from non-living source. Minerals like non-living source is called inorganic chemistry. तो inorganic chemistry समझ में आया? What is the inorganic chemistry? Those compound obtained from non-living source. Minerals H2SO4, HCl, these are HNO3. These are very strong because we obtained that by mines. Minerals acid, these are called mineral acid. Now, what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry, earlier definition is, जो पहले definition दी गई थी वो क्या थी? Organic chemistry means those compound substance, those compounds obtained from the living source. Living source. Now, another definition, this definition is not complete. So, organic compounds are those compounds which obtained from the living source. Living source means plants or animal kingdom. Plant or animals. So, these are organic compound. Now, organic compound, those compound contain carbon. Next definition is organic chemistry is the compound of carbons. Second definition. So what is the organic chemistry? Organic chemistry means compounds of कार्बन. दूसरी डेफिनेशन क्या दी गई कि भाई ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री क्या होती है? जिसमें कार्बन के कंपाउंड हो. बट दिस डेफिनेशन इज ऑल्सो insufficient because carbon monoxide, carbon disulfide, carbon dioxide, calcium carbonate. These are inorganic compound, but they contain carbon. So this definition is also insufficient. Now modern definition. अब modern definition क्या दी गई भाई? What is the modern definition of organic compound? Organic compound those contain hydrogen and carbon. Organic compounds, those compound contain carbon and hydrogen. These are called hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons and their derivatives So what is the modern definition of organic chemistry? Organic chemistry is the branch of carbon chain which contain carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives. So this is the modern theory of organic chemistry. Now let's see introduction of organic compound. What is the introduction of organic compound? Now some basic principles of organic chemistry. Some basic principle of organic chemistry. So now introduction. In our daily life, we use food, fuels, polymers, polythene, nylon, medicines, oils, soap, detergent, all contain carbon. So these are all organic compound, even DNA, proteins, carbohydrates, so all are contain carbon and hydrogen also present. So these are called the organic compound. So it's clear what is the organic chemistry. Organic chemistry is the branch of carbon chain compound which contain carbon, hydrogen and their derivative. It means carbon, hydrogen, carbon, oxygen, carbon with nitrogen, halogens may be present. These are called organic compound. First discovered organic compound is urea. First discovered organic compound is urea. NH2, CO, NH2. Holler scientist discovered the urea and its name urea because it obtained from urine of mammals. So it is called urea. So first organic compound is urea, which is obtained from urine of the mammals. First, Holler scientists prepared in laboratory. हॉलर साइंटिस्ट ने यूरिया सबसे पहले कैसे बनाया देखो, अमोनियम सल्फेट, उन्होंने एक सॉल्ट लिया जिसका नाम क्या था, अमोनियम सल्फेट, NH4 प्लस, ओके, एंड सल्फेट कंटेन 2 माइनस. तो when ammonium sulfate react with potassium thiocyanate, potassium cyanate, thiocyanate, if sulfur is present it is called potassium thiocyanate. Potassium isocyanate, this is ammonium sulfate, this is called ammonium, this is called ammonium sulfate, and it is called potassium isocyanate, potassium isocyanate. So what happened in this condition, you can see. So what is the product now? Let's see. Potassium get positive charge and cyanate get negative charge. Always add positive and negative. हमेशा आपको ऐड करना है पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, सल्फेट नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव. तो व्हाट इज द प्रोडक्ट, NH4SO4 and ammonium cyanate. What is the product, NH4CNO. This is the ammonium cyanate. And second product is, we have to take 2 molecule and second product plus K2SO4 potassium sulfate. Now balance the equation. Equation balance कर लो, left side and right side same number of element present. This is the balanced equation. Ammonium, there is ammonium 2, cyanate 2, यहाँ भी cyanate 2 है. तो potassium isocyanate when react with ammonium sulfate in lab, it convert into ammonium cyanate. क्या बन गया बेटा? This is the ammonium cyanate. Write the name, ammonium cyanate. Ammonium cyanate. Now after heating, अब आपने क्या किया, इसको हीट कर दिया. तो आफ्टर हीटिंग their rearrangement, after heating rearrangement occur. So what happened, rearrangement, NH4CNO, C double bond O, okay, carbon always form 4 bond, I already told you, and NH2, other NH2. Again you can see hydrogen 4 hydrogen, 2 nitrogen and CO, NH2CO NH2, urea is formed. Holler scientists formed the urea by this method. Again let's see, Holler, Friedrich Holler. What is the name? Friedrich Holler. So Friedrich Holler formed the urea in lab. How to prepare ammonium sulfate? You can take ammonium chloride also. Ammonium chloride भी हम ले सकते हैं, like this. तो ammonium sulfate when react with potassium isocyanate, it convert into ammonium cyanate and potassium sulfate. Now after heating, the rearrangement take place. Rearrangement means group rearrange हो गए and it convert into urea. Urea used as a fertilizer. So organic compound is formed. You can see the first, this is the inorganic compound. There is no carbon and hydrogen. Though those compound, there is no hydrogen and carbon. Both are absent here. This is inorganic compound. Positive and negative. This is called the salt. इसे हम salt भी कहते हैं. तो those compound contain positive charge and negative charge, and both carbon and hydrogen are absent. कार्बन हाइड्रोजन दोनों कभी एक साथ नहीं होंगे, तो उसे हम कहते हैं इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. तो फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड प्रिपेयर्ड बाय इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. तो फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कैसे बनाया गया? इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड से. नाउ बर्जीलियस, एक और साइंटिस्ट थे बर्जीलियस, उन्होंने एक थ्योरी बताई थी ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड को कैसे सिंथेसाइज किया जाए, हाउ टू सिंथेसाइज द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. तो इट एक्सप्लेन बाय बर्जीलियस साइंटिस्ट. बर्जीलियस साइंटिस्ट कौन थे? बर्जीलियस जिन्होंने हमें सिंबल बताए थे. बर्जीलियस एक्सप्लेन द symbols of the element, symbols of the elements. तो बर्जीलियस ने ही सिंबल्स हमें बताए थे. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू बर्जीलियस, organic compound how to synthesized? Organic compound synthesized by the vital force theory. उन्होंने क्या बताया कि भी जो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कैसे सिंथेसाइज्ड होते हैं. ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड में फोर्स होता है जिसको कहते हैं वाइटल फोर्स थ्योरी. तो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड कैन बी सिंथेसाइज्ड बाय वाइटल फोर्स थ्योरी. इट्स क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू. तो दिस इज द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. हाउ टू लर्न ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. तो वी हैव टू डिस्कस सम पॉइंट्स लाइक क्लियर. तो बर्जीलियस सिंबल्स ऑफ एलिमेंट्स डिस्कवर किए. ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स की जो थ्योरी थी उसका नाम क्या था? वाइटल फोर्स थ्योरी. एंड हॉलर जो साइंटिस्ट थे, फ्रेडरिच हॉलर, उन्होंने क्या बताया? फर्स्ट ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड यूरिया डिस्कवर्ड बाय द इनऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड. सो हु डिस्कवर्ड? हॉलर साइंटिस्ट. क्लियर. नाउ हैव ए नाइस डे. थैंक यू.